Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with your favorite series, the Beater Box series. If you guys didn't know, this Beater Box comes to us from Supremacy, and SB Mitch is gonna open up the box with us today.
Sucks for you!
Welcome! Big shot! Hold up, wait. Peanut butter insides!
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Like I said, Untied Hawaii here with my boy SB Mitch. If you guys don't know who SB Mitch is, he is also a Beater Box member who's been doing YouTube for kind of a while now, right?
Probably close to about a year and a half now.
Oh, a year and a half? That's about the same time as me then. But yeah, SB Mitch also does his YouTube stuff, does the Beater Box unboxings, messes with Soul Supremacy. Basically, whatever we do here is what he does over there as well, so that's pretty cool. How much was this box? $9.50?
Sure, that sounds good.
So, yeah, I guess we're opening up a $9.50 box together. So, if you guys haven't seen his channel, the guy is very animated. He's actually a lot more in tune with this stuff than I am.
I'm gonna try and keep it a little low-key for you.
Yeah, it should be pretty fun. So, $9.50, this box does come to us from Soul Supremacy. Thankfully, like Mitch over here, he doesn't have to pay the $100 shipping, so what is it, 35 for you guys,
40
I think?
shipping, I think.
40, that's, okay, so less than half, but it's okay. It's understandable. They gotta send mine over the ocean. His is like literally the state over, I think.
They shoot it in a big cannon. It's a Beater Box cannon.
Beater Box cannon, right on.
It cost $1.2 trillion to make.
Okay.
Put Soul back quite a bit. That's why they charge 100 for shipping.
Yeah, man. So it's a lot faster than the Supreme Camel. The Supreme Mule.
The Supreme Donkey.
Yeah, the Supreme Donkey that comes and takes 2 weeks to deliver his. I don't know, man. You want to do the?
Sure,
do the honors?
why not?
Okay, thank you. See, look, got somebody opening my boxes for me now. I made it, guys. I made it. I'm kind of excited, dude. The last box that we got was really good. It was I think like $8.50. So I told you guys in that last video, anything like over 1,000 has been kind of tough to move recently. So I'm hoping that this 800 range will be good.
I can vouch for that statement.
What is, dude? What? it's like they knew that we were gonna open this box together. This is wild. What? Look at this! Oh, dude, look, it's you.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
Interesting. Well, is this LeBron? So
this is a LeBron.
LeBron, Oregon. I didn't know Oregon made like LeBron shoes. So this is a U of O LeBron James collab. It says promo. I've never seen this in my life. If you guys can kind of see over here though, it's like destroyed up here. If you guys didn't know, these are the actual shoes LeBron James played in while he was attending University of Oregon.
Which never happened.
Yeah. So, whatever.
If anyone needs a bright colored canoe, here you go.
Yeah. I'm assuming there's not too much value there. Next one is Pump It Up. Size 10. So, it's a Soul Box collab.
Oh, it's a Soul Box collaboration. This is a DS pair though, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Size 10. It's a really clean colorway, I will say that.
You like them? You want to keep those? Size 10?
Upper. I think it barely fits these on my hands.
Yeah. So we got a Kyrie over here. This actually isn't that bad. It is used though. Oh, BHM series.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so the BHM series, you can see it on the tongue right there. Pretty standard, clean, black colorway. I kind of like it. Black and gold up here.
Size 11.
Size 11. Shoe itself looks not bad.
Next up. This was not planned.
Oh, it was definitely planned. So Nike SB. If you guys didn't know, let me no. If you guys didn't know, this guy's name is SB Mitch for a reason. My man loves Nike SB. SB Mitch.
It does not stand for Sandy Beach or Salted Butter. But this is a Nike Dunk Low Premium SB Quick Strike.
Okay. Oh, what is this?
These are the Miami Low Dunks.
And as an SB head, what do you think of it? Is it a nice shoe? Is it?
It's an okay shoe. This series with they call it the tape box series weren't too many hits. I mean, the Red Supremes were from that series, but other than that, it's really hit or miss.
Oh, okay.
These you can still get between 100 and 120 bucks for these, depending on the person, because they are city themed. It's a good this if you were to sell this anywhere, I would say your best bet would be online, because someone in Miami or the greater Miami area would be probably interested in these.
So next one out, we got a Ultra Boost Women 9.5. Oh, DS. Okay, that's pretty cool. Granted, these aren't going for a lot of money now. These are kind of like stuff you can see in like Foot Locker and things like that, so that's cool. But it is DS 9.5. That's a bigger size. It's gonna be kind of tough to move, but sometimes one of the life hacks is for guys to actually buy the women's shoes but just scale it into a men's sizing. So I think a 9.5 women would be a what, 8.5 8
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, an 8.5 or an 8, somewhere around there. So it's comparable. So if you want to save money because women's shoes actually go for cheaper sometimes, that's one of the ways that people do that. Obviously not for us. They need to wear what, women's 13 for you?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, so, okay, maybe not for us then, but yeah.
A lot of boost heads I talk to actually favor a lot of the women's colorways as well too. So
really?
it's not uncommon.
Oh, that's interesting.
For people to buy up women's shoes and wear them because I mean, even some of the 4.0s that are coming out, the women colorways are really dope.
Right, that's true. That's true. And the thing is like you can't tell the difference. It doesn't show like it's a men's or a women's shoe. It's just a black Ultra Boost. So yeah, it really is a smart idea. So if you guys are trying to save money or things like that, look at the women's section as well because shoes are basically made the exact same. So
yeah, the only difference is the number on the box.
Yep, and that is the difference. So
sure, why not?
That should be a DS pair, I'm assuming.
Size 12. It's a Jordan 4 retro.
Ooh.
Pure monies. Yeah, they look DS to me.
So it's a DS 2010. That's nice. Right on.
They retroed these, what, last year?
Yeah, just last year. And these were like one of the more coveted Jordan 4s before the retro. So, I don't know. I really like them. All right, so we got a Kobe. We got a lot of diversity in this box, which is cool. This is a Kobe 11. This might be the black. Yes. This is the Horseman collection, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is my favorite one, too. What do you think? Do you like this one?
Gum bottoms.
Gum bottoms, so that's it. For the most part, this is one of the better Kobe 11s in my opinion. I really like this colorway. And yeah, I don't know, 11.5.
Good size.
Good, well, it's good for some people, I don't know.
Good size, as I say with selfish intention.
So, there's that. Okay, so we got 2 shoes left in here. This one looks like a Jordan 1 box, and it is 11.5.
Ooh.
No, it's not gonna be good. Wait, what?
You didn't see it?
I didn't know that this was the thing.
Hello.
Black and soft gray?
Yeah.
Okay, well apparently it's a pretty good shoe. This is the Shadows. They're supposedly re-releasing these again this year sometime. I think maybe April or May is the speculation, somewhere like that. Okay, I guess that makes sense why like Soul Supremacy is trying to get rid of these now because this is a really good condition pair. Like look at that. And I mean, for me, the Shadows is like one of my favorite Jordan 1s just because it matches with everything, you know? All right, then we got one more shoe left. I'll let Mitch grab this one.
Okay.
Yep, because it's his favorite shoes in the whole world. I'm just gonna hold this until you, yep. It's his favorite. Yeezys.
Some kind of slipper. I'm just kidding, I don't get them. It's a size 13. That's actually a really good size for a Yeezy.
Is it really?
Yo, yeah.
The bigger size is supposedly like go for more. Okay. So
okay,
these are the olive Yeezy V2s, size 13 like you said. How's the bottoms look?
No box. Bottoms are in good shape. Boost is not very discolored at all.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I'm not really big on Boost. If you guys don't know, my man Mitch over here isn't really big on Boost either. Yes. He's definitely all about the SB and a lot of Nike.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the thing that's cool is that you kind of learn to like understand and like the Boost concept that Adidas is doing. You gotta admit, in terms of comfort, it's a pretty good shoe.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Someone said last week to me that Adidas is really focused on style, which I think is a completely accurate statement.
Oh, okay.
Like Nike is based on performance,
right?
In my opinion.
That yeah, that's true. That is true. Actually, good point.
Adidas, especially Ultra Boosts and Yeezys, are very stylish.
Yeah, well, because you're not going to go play an NBA game in a pair of Yeezys.
Exactly.
Unless you're...
I mean, the Ultra Boost was intended to be a running shoe, and how many people do you actually see running in an Ultra Boost?
That is a good point. I've actually heard from like, because if you guys don't know, I try to run a lot, but a lot of people say they hate running in Ultra Boost because it messes up like their arches and things like that. So yeah, like you were saying, more people are actually wearing it just because it's comfortable and stylish.
Yeah.
Super diverse of a box. We got like a Reebok, we got a Kobe, we got an SB, we got a Kyrie, a LeBron. It's literally, I think every single shoe is different except for the 2 Jordans, but they're different models. So yeah.
This $950 Soul Supremacy beater box gets a grade of C+.
Oh yeah, C+. There you go.
In the untied Hawaii report card.
Oh my goodness. Well, honestly, I think I would definitely grade it more as like an A just because I had a lot more fun opening it because my pal is here. If you guys haven't already, be sure to go to Mitch's channel down in the description below. Like I said, a lot of his content is a lot more like engaging with your audience than I would say my channel is. He does a lot, no, well, seriously, like the skits he does at the beginning of the videos are like really well made. I really enjoy them myself, and there's just a lot more like laughter, I feel like. Thank you guys again for watching. This has been Untied Hawaii and SB Mitch coming at you from my studio house thing or whatever. Thank you for coming in, man.
My pleasure.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's kind of like unreal. Like I never expected to meet this man like within the first 2 years of doing the YouTube, and like, yeah, but he's a really good guy.
Likewise.
Yeah. So we made it happen, and we did it for you guys. We did it for you.
Till next time, everybody, take care of yourself, Take care of each other. Remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, do something else.
Yeah.
Find something you love, grab hold of it, and don't let go. Because I want to see everyone be as happy as possible.
Right on. Okay. And until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I'll see you guys. Aloha. There you go. Shoot! Shoots! Perfect.